Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color Parachuting Giraffe. Let's start drawing. First, we draw the parachute. Now we're going to start drawing the giraffe. We draw the giraffe's head and its long ears. We're drawing the giraffe's eyes and glasses. We are drawing the giraffe's long nose and a smiling face. Now we're drawing the giraffe's long neck, and we're drawing the scarf around its neck. We're going to draw the giraffe's arms and legs. Let's not forget to draw its tail. Now we're drawing the parachute lines. We're drawing the giraffe's spots on its body. Good job! We finished drawing Parachuting Giraffe. Let's start coloring. Yellow. Light brown for glasses. Brown for giraffe spots. Pink for scarf. Dark pink. Brown. Wonderful! We finished drawing and coloring Parachuting Giraffe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.